Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Databricks. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Databricks? Databricks is a unified open analytics platform for building, deploying, sharing, and maintaining enterprise-grade data analytics and AI solutions at scale. The Databricks Data Intelligence Platform integrates with cloud storage and security in your cloud account and manages and deploys cloud infrastructure on your behalf. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Databricks is all about. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.